y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So today I really wanted to give you guys this look. I did this look probably a month or two ago, and that video went to 40,000 views in a month. So I wanted to give you guys my updated natural makeup tutorial. I'm using a few different products, nothing too brand new, but my foundation changed, some bronzers, blushes, highlights, things like that. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I do is I like to even out my eyelids because sometimes they can have like this red undertone. So I just want to even that color with concealer. And then I'm going to apply some lashes. Now you guys can see I have my eyebrows already done. And if you want to see how I did them, there will be a link down in my description. And as you see up top, that little icon that just popped up, it's going to be right there. It says, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how I do my lashes, you can definitely comment down below if this is not in-depth enough. So here we're just applying some primer before I put my foundation on. So with my Fenty foundation in color 370, I take about 3 pumps, and then I'm using my Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm just applying that all over my skin. First, I'm pressing it, and then you're going to see me lightly spread the color by buffing out, and then we're going to go back into pressing it into the skin, and that's how you get that flawless skin finish. This is literally like a holy grail staple for me. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. No, not medium beige, pure beige, sorry. But this is my favorite highlighting color. And I just apply that across my T-zone. And with my Real Techniques sponge, we're just going to pat that into the skin. That is just the main thing with anything revolving around makeup. You just want to pat things. Blending and swiping don't really work, but patting, it allows you to keep that like color, but it just blends away so nice. Like, I don't know y'all, but make sure y'all patting y'all makeup into y'all skin. So I can highlight a little bit more, I took the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer, and that is in light to medium, but it will be listed down below. And I just pat that under my eyes just so I get that highlight effect. And with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, we're just going to pat that into the skin. Now, me personally, I don't like baking. I feel like baking makes me look too cakey, so I like to just pat away. And also, I like to pat around my smile lines because I definitely get creasing around there. So if you have creasing, you want to, cover that with some setting powder. And then with my Ruby Kiss contour palette, I really love this contour. I use it on me and my clients because it has a range of colors for everybody, and I just love it. So this blush is from Ruby Kiss, and I really never used to wear blush, but I started wearing it recently because it really just brings color back to your face, because right now I just look flat, but with the blush and the contour, it just does it. And like in my last video, I really like to add the same contour color in my crease because it just adds more depth to the look, and like it just matches. Like, you want to contour all those areas. And now I'm just going in with my Juvias palette, and I'm just using those colors as a highlighter because they're just bomb. Like, I love shadows that you can use as highlighters too. after I line my lips with just a simple dark brown lip liner, I'm just going to take my NYX matte, I can't remember the name of it, but it will be linked down below in the description box. But I'm just taking that color and, you know, just creating that look. And then I set my face with that NYX setting spray. So, yep, period. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys liked this updated natural makeup tutorial. And if you didn't watch my first one, watch my first one, because that one was more affordable, that was more drugstore, and then this one is more like things that you can get. I mean, you got some things that you get from the hair store, but then you also have things that you know, like my foundation that you have to get at a Sephora, things like that. So I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to thumbs up this video so I know you guys want more content like this. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, you know, subscribe, you know, right here, it's gonna be somewhere right here, you know, subscribe, boop, boop, boop. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye guys.